My neighbor shared this creamy recipe with me that only needs 3 ingredients. In a blender, add 300 milliliters of hot water and 50 grams of lime-flavored gelatin. Blend everything very well. After blending these ingredients, add 600 grams of heavy cream and turn the blender on again. This will make our dessert incredibly creamy. Now, transfer the mixture to a serving dish. Refrigerate the dessert for about 3 hours. To add extra flavor, I'll sprinkle some grated coconut on top. This recipe is versatile, and you can try it with other gelatin flavors according to your preference. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Your interaction is very important to us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe.